Kawasude ni kampen mar uso ber mar piny Kenya ne pinje maoko ochakore mar medo kwan mag jolimbe machopo e pachoka kod lombo joket mwandu bende mondo ket mwandu e piny Kenya. Kampen no ng'iyo mar tiyo kod kido kod timbe jo Kenya mar ywayo welo mabiro e pachoka. E chenro ne jo piny Amerika kod mago ma pachoka dhi yudo thuolo mar keto mwandu e chenro mopogore opogore mag dongruok. Kampen ni ng'iyo mar lombo joket mwandu kendo rwako jolimbe maromo 5,000 e higani.
I have to leave mine off.
When I first came to Kenya, I was blown away how advanced Kenya was, the ease of doing business here, and then just the possibility of relocating here was just very, very attractive to me. And so I wanted to be able to share this with other African Americans from home, to be able to see the same thing that I'm seeing in real time.
And looking forward to being here in Kenya. Everyone is so nice, so welcoming, so warm and receptive. And moving forward, hoping to be able to establish a homeland here with the help of Traverse Culture and what they are bringing forth.
Yeah, we went to the Nairobi National Park. We went to the land that you mentioned earlier as well. We went to a number of restaurants throughout Nairobi and Mombasa. My experience so far has, of course, been flawless. There's nothing I can say that you all haven't heard already in regard to the Kenyan hospitality, the food, the kindness. One thing I would say in relation to your point when taking the message back home to America is the authenticity of the kindness. It's not just a tourist economy kindness. It's more so this is how you all live day to day.
I'm going to continue to promote the experiences that I have here in the country. I have nothing but good things to say about your country. I am a diesel mechanic by trade. I am a business owner and I am an investor, and I see opportunities for all that here in your country.